So today we will be discussing types of organizations. There are basically 4 types of organizations: line, staff, functional and matrix organization. We will start with line organization. Line organization is the simplest form of organization where decision making authority flows from top to bottom. There isn't many deviations in line organization. In line organization, there is a unity of command. There is one person who will be commanding, who will be making the policies, procedures, rules and regulations in the organization, and there will be one or more than one people who will be following it. It is the simplest structure of organizations, and most of the organizations in India are line organizations. Then we come to functional organizations. Functional organizations are those organizations where it is understood that there are specialized departments in an organization. Okay, so every specialized department has their own head or their own in charge who controls the specific department, and he takes into account all the factors and all the activities which are performed in that department. Above that department, there are the CEOs or the owners of the organization who makes the policies and the procedures and the main decisions of the organization, which is then followed to the departments or the functional departments, which you can say. So the department heads then implement those rules and regulations to their in their department. So the difference between a line organization and a functional organization is that a line organization, there is the owner and there are the people working for him. In functional organizations, there are owners and there are specialized people for each and every activity of the organization, and then there are people who will be following the orders. Okay, so in line organization is a 2-step hierarchy, and a line or functional organization is a 3-step hierarchy. Now, what is a staff organization? So staff organization is that, as in line organization, there is a team of people who try to make the policies and procedures of the organization. Line and staff organization, what they do is that they implement those policies and procedures in the organization. Okay, line and staff organization has tried to use the advantages of both the line and the functional type of organization to overcome their demerits. Line and staff organization have line officers as well as staff officers. Functional organizations are also called staff organizations. Okay, the difference between functional organization and staff organization is that in functional organization there is a specialized department for each and every activity of that organization. However, in staff organization, specialization of that activity is not there. Okay, क्या होता है कि in functional organization, जैसे सिविल डिपार्टमेंट है, there will be HOD for civil, and मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट है, there will be a head of the department of mechanical engineering of an organization. ठीक है, suppose you have a manufacturing organization where आप लोग जहाँ पे what they do is they make cement factories. Okay, so in those organizations there are civil engineers also, and there are mechanical engineers also, and there are electrical engineers also. So every department has their own seniors, own heads, own HODs. Okay, but above them there are CEOs. In functional organizations, what happens, that there are specialized departments, but in staff organization what happens, that specialized departments are not there. उसमें क्या होता है कि जो CEOs जो होते हैं, ऑफिसर्स जो होते हैं, जो इंचार्ज होते हैं, जो आपके ओनर्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होते हैं, उनका जो पॉलिसी है, उनका जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन जो बनाते हैं, उनको खाली इम्प्लीमेंट करवाते हैं, लाइक सुपरवाइजर्स. ओके, so in functional organization there are specific department for every activity, but in staff organizations there are specific departments basically are not there. Supervisors are there. So a staff organization can be a functional organization, but a functional organization cannot be a staff organization. The difference between line and staff organization is, in line and organization there is there is no supervisors or no functional specialized departments, but in staff line and staff organizations there are line organization भी होता है जहाँ पे there is one in charge, one person is there and he orders everybody to do a particular work, and then there are those people are there who supervises and who coordinates that whether those activities are being done properly or not. Okay. Then there is matrix organization. What is matrix organization? Matrix organization is a complicated process, organizational process which employs a multiple command structure. There is a multiple command structure is there, but it also relates to the support mechanisms of an organizational culture and behavioral pattern. So a functional organization is that where each and every function is divided into several parts. Okay, you not only have a specialized individual for a specialized department, but even within that there are people who will be looking after the minor task of that department. ठीक है, तो मैट्रिक्स स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है कि एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जब देयर आर मल्टीपल लेवल्स ऑफ अथॉरिटी, जहाँ पे मल्टीपल लेवल्स ऑफ अथॉरिटी होता है और हर एक छोटे पोर्शन ऑफ जॉब के लिए देयर इज ए पर्सन हु इज स्पेशलाइज्ड फॉर दैट वर्क एंड हु इम्प्लीमेंट्स दैट वर्क इन दैट पर्टिकुलर डीप एरिया. हाँ, तो उस वो क्या होता है कि सपोज सर्टेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आर देयर व्हिच आर बेस्ड अक्रॉस ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, जो सारे दुनिया में फैले हुए हैं. जैसे हम लोग अगर एग्जांपल लेते हैं कि फूड चेन्स जो होते हैं, फूड चेन्स सारे दुनिया में फैले हुए हैं. तो वो फूड चेन्स फैले हुए हैं तो उसका हेड ऑफिस कहीं होता है और वो उसका एक फूड चेन, जैसे इंडिया में अगर ये है आपका डोमिनोज़ है, बट डोमिनोज़ का हेड ऑफिस इज़ इन यूएसए और इंडिया के धनबाद में डोमिनोज़ इज़ देयर. ओके, डोमिनोज़ इज़ देयर. सो डोमिनोज़ who is controlling Domino's in India, in Dhanbad, in Jharkhand. So there are multiple levels of authority for multiple levels of that organization who are operating within the world, across the world, or even across the states. So you know, assembling all those people into one framework is matrix organization. Matrix organization works for organizations जो लोग मल्टीपल काम करते हैं, जैसे टाटा है वो मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट्स में इन्वॉल्व है, या फिर मल्टीनेशनल और इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस इन्वॉल्व है इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस में या मल्टीनेशनल बिजनेस में, तो उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में देयर इज ए मैट्रिक्स स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. बिकॉज विदाउट ए मैट्रिक्स स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यू कैन नॉट कंट्रोल ईच एंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, क्योंकि वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ही इतना वास्ट है. ओके, अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिंगल हेडेड है, सिंगल हेडेड मतलब एक ऑफिस है, एक या दो शहर में वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बेस्ड है, तो आपका लाइन स्टाफ इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू मेक एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन परफॉर्म. ओके, इफ़ इट इज़ मोर स्मॉल, अगर एक सिर्फ एक दुकान है, सपोज देर इज़ ए शॉप, ओके, फॉर दैट लाइन स्टाफ, लाइन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज ओके, देर इज़ ओनर एंड देर इज़ एम्प्लॉई. ओके, so line staff organizations are there which are multi-city businesses there or multi-state business are there, but matrix structure is one of the more complicated organizations in which organizations which are based across the nation or based across the world, where there are multiple levels of people who are overseeing the work, जो लोग देख रहे हैं काम को और जो काम को implement करा रहे हैं, with a particular head, okay, with a particular place or a particular group of people who makes the policies and procedure, जो policy implement कराते हैं, policy बनाते हैं और वहाँ के जो culture है, जो behavior है, जो उनका जो planning है वो करते हैं, and then they try to implement it to all the places where the business is situated. In those type of organizations, matrix structure is the way to make the organizations work and function. Okay, thank you.